Hi, this is Lars from windowcleaning.com. Today we're going to take a look at how you can add new projects to your websites. Adding projects to your windowcleaning.com site helps you to convert more of your visitors into purchasing customers, and is also going to help you with your SEO rankings. The more projects you have added to your site, the better your site is going to rank, and the more pages on your site are going to rank. So there's a lot of advantages to adding projects to your site. So the first step to add a new project is to log into the windowcleaning.com members only toolbox, and you'll come to the dashboard page, which will look something similar to the one that we have here. Once you're there, you look at the top navigation menu. The second item that we see is projects. Let's click on that together. So once we open up the projects page, you'll be able to see a list of all the projects that you currently have on your website. So for most of the members that have been members for a while now, you'll also see that we've integrated all the current testimonials that you previously had into the projects page. The difference is our new projects feature is a bit more powerful than the previous testimonials feature. It's going to allow us to be a lot more versatile with the type of projects that we add. No longer are we just going to be adding testimonials specific to a customer, but we can actually add a description of a current or recent project that we've just completed and post that to our website. So let's take a look at how to add a new project. At the top left hand side you can see a button that says Add Project. Let's click that. And we're presented with a few different options here. One thing always to keep in mind for those of you who have multiple sites with us, you'll see a little selection here that says Choose Site to Edit. That will allow you to choose which one of your windowcleaning.com sites you want the project to be posted to. So make sure you're on the right site that you want to edit. On the left hand side we've got three different options: project description, the customer name, and the location. Customer name and location are optional. So if we're just adding a description of a current or recent job that we've worked on, we can just use the project description box. If you do enter a customer name or a location, the system will assume that you're entering a testimonial, and when it presents the testimonial on your website, it'll add quotation marks around it along with the customer name and the location where it was taken from. So let's start by adding a brief testimonial. We'll just use one of the ones that we already have here just for an example's sake. Okay. The whole team was fantastic. We'll be calling them again soon. We're going to enter that in the project description box. The customer name, let's put Mark Palmer. Location, let's go with downtown Mercedes. And the last option here is feature and category. So we're going to put commercial window cleaning for this project. We've got a picture of the project, so we want to upload that. We're going to select a file, and we're going to upload a picture of that project. Let's grab this one here. And it's going to upload it, and you can see your picture presented there. If it's not the picture you want, you can click on the X and delete the picture and choose a different picture to upload. One quick note about pictures: try to keep your file sizes small. It's going to help page load times. And all our file sizes now have been changed to a 4:3 ratio, so you don't have to crop them. They're not a funky dimension or anything like that anymore. So the optimum dimension is 600 by 450 pixels, or you can go smaller than that and it'll just scale automatically. You also have the option to add a YouTube video instead of an image if you'd like to do that. By add a YouTube video, just click on the circle here, Add a YouTube Video, and then put the link in. So let's save what we've done here. Save. Done. Project created successfully. Your project is now being posted live to your website. Let's check out how that project looks. We're just going to navigate over here to the other tab. Let's take a look at, we'll just have to refresh the page to make sure that the new project shows up. Let's take a look at your new commercial window cleaning. And we've got the new project that we added. The whole team was fantastic. We'll be calling them again soon. Mark Palmer, downtown Mercedes, job type commercial window cleaning. So you can just add as many projects as you'd like. The more projects the better. There's no limit at all on how many projects that you add. Every project that you added will be saved in this list here. You can go back at any time and edit the projects that you've added if you want to change some details, or if you want to put some new pictures on them, or a new YouTube video of your project. Once again, the more projects, the better. And keeping your projects fresh, maybe not adding them all at once, but gradually over time, making sure that you add a couple projects each month is going to help too. Google values more than ever the freshness of the content on your website. So creating quality user-generated content for your website is going to be a huge help for your rankings, and it's also going to be a huge help for your conversion rate for your visitors. So guys, we hope that that all made sense. If you have any questions at all, give us a shout anytime. members@windowcleaning.com. Be more than happy to help, and we'll be putting on another one of these screencasts shortly, talking about some of the other services or some of the other features in the new windowcleaning.com members toolbox. Have a great night.